Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to make a professional profile picture to be used on Upwork. First, you will be using ChatGPT free AI tool. After that, open your account and start a new conversation. Then, upload a photo you want to transform into a professional image and enter this prompt. Then click on this arrow here to send this to ChatGPT. After a few seconds, ChatGPT will start doing his work. Wait for some minutes and let's see the result. Let's see the prompt together. Make into professional corporate profile picture for Upwork. Keep all facial features unchanged. We will come back soon to see the result. And yeah, ChatGPT provided us with this high quality professional image, ready to use on Upwork profile picture. Download it from this icon, and yeah, if you like this tutorial, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.